Tables are chosen when you'd like to communicate exact values and show detailed comparisons. Now, when you want to measure performance and you'd like to help the reader focus on the positives and the negatives, you can use this method or similar methods such as this one, or this one, or this one. Now, one piece of advice here is to avoid a color collage, meaning avoid this. And also what I prefer is to also avoid these cases where I have a lot of symbols and a lot of colors in every single line. And instead, I prefer to show this version where I only bring the attention to the bigger positives and the bigger negative values based on a predefined threshold. The main mechanics of all these methods is conditional formatting, and it's a great feature that can bring a lot of value very quickly. 2 points of concern are: don't overdose on conditional formatting because it can make your files slow. Conditional formatting works in a similar way like volatile functions do. So every time you make a move in Excel, you scroll up or down, the conditional formatting result is being painted on your screen. So it can make your file slow if you use too much conditional formatting. 2, be careful about copying cells that have conditional formatting in them. Because when you copy a value, you copy a cell and you paste it somewhere else, it copies the conditional formatting with it. And if you need the conditional formatting, then just go and double check in Edit Rules and see if everything is still working fine and that no cells have been unnecessarily shifted. And if you don't need the conditional formatting, then go to conditional formatting and clear the rules behind this. Now, if you already have a larger file, but you would like to implement conditional formatting in it, but you're afraid that it might make it slow, there is another way. You can use symbols in your formulas, and that's the topic of our next lecture.